Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will be showing you on how to get Amazon affiliate link for your YouTube channel. Now, first things first, what you're going to do is to simply search for the product that you want to affiliate. For example, I'm searching for iPad case, and then here we're going to click for a product, and you will be able to see a site stripe up here. Now, if you don't have any option right here, you can just simply go with your Amazon Associates and then go to your account settings. And then you will be able to see the Associate Site Stripe option. Click on that. And you must be enabled to display status. And then you can also check the Get Link and then Share option. And then once you're done, you can go back to your Amazon and then refresh the website. And then now you can be able to see the site stripe option up here. And then click the Get Link option, this one right here. And now it will generate you a link for your affiliate link. And then you can also go for full link or short link, but I recommend the short link one. Now copy that and paste it to your YouTube. Now once you're on your YouTube, you can go to your YouTube studio and then go to content. And then choose a video that you want to put your affiliate link. So for example, I'm choosing this one, click the detail, and then paste it to your description. You can type the product name and then the link of that product. And then that's it guys, I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.